Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the WWE 2K25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a super finisher to your opponent on this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game and start any of your desired match. And once your match begins, in order to fill up your signature as well as your finishers. Now the blue bar is your signature bar, which will fill up every time you dish out punishment to your opponent. And every time you perform a signature, this will fill up the orange bar. Now when you use your signature move and fill up your finisher bar so that you have all three finishers available at the same time, then you can perform a super finisher on your opponent. Just pause your game and go into moves and then choose your current superstar, and within the finisher section you will also find the super finishers. Just fulfill the condition displayed within the various super finishers that are available and you can perform the super finisher on your opponent. In this case, let's try the Avalanche Pedigree 2 option. This requires the player to put their opponent on a cornered position and facing front. Now, once we get our opponent on the desired position, we can press the super finisher button, which is the right trigger plus A, when we are prompted. And now this will perform the super finisher move of your respective superstar on the opponent right away. You can also choose to make a pin instantly by pressing the pin button. And by this method, you can perform the super finisher of any superstar. If you're playing with a keyboard, then you can press the space plus K button by fulfilling the condition for your super finisher. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to perform a super finisher on this game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.